Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So guys, I recently broke my phone when I was in my work site accidentally. So as you can see, all is broken. So inshallah guys, now I'm going to the phone repair place. I'm gonna buy a new screen protector, inshallah. Let's go. Jackie, jump us. Wow. Hello sir, how are you? Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Okay. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Fresh one. New screen protector. That's it. Guys, I always wanted to try over there Safa. So inshallah, let's go and let's try some Safa fried chicken cafe. Can I get the tuna salad sandwich? Tuna and salad sandwich. So let's give it a try. You guys, bismillah. Alhamdulillah guys, I really enjoyed it. This is a tuna salad sandwich. MashaAllah, it's very delicious and tasty. In today's video, inshallah I will finish it here. I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye. Take it down. Let's go.